Hey there! Today we're going to be talking about something you've probably heard of, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is a fascinating and rapidly growing field with incredible potential to change our lives. Understanding AI is essential because it affects many aspects of our daily life, from entertainment to healthcare. So let's dive in. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI systems use various techniques to learn from data and adapt to new situations, making them incredibly useful in many areas. There are two types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks, like voice recognition or image classification. On the other hand, general AI is more versatile and can handle a broader range of tasks like a human. However, general AI is still a work in progress. How does AI work? AI systems use machine learning, a process that involves training a computer to recognize patterns in data. A popular method for machine learning is using neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process data and learn to make accurate predictions or decisions. To train an AI system, we provide it with a large data set, which it learns from to improve its performance. For instance, to train an AI to recognize cats in pictures, we feed it thousands of cat images. The more data we provide, the better the AI becomes at its task. Applications of AI. Artificial intelligence is all around us. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand our voice commands and help us with everyday tasks. Recommendation systems on platforms like YouTube and Netflix use AI to suggest content that matches our preferences. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatments. So there you have it. Artificial intelligence is an incredible field with endless possibilities, and it's essential to understand how it works. If you're excited about AI and want to learn more, don't forget to check out our other videos on the topic. And remember to subscribe to stay updated with new content. Thanks for watching.